Hey everybody, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to add 4 hours to 5.24 am. So what we can do is we can convert this 5:24 am, that is here it is present in 12-hour format, to 24-hour format. Then we can add 4 hours to that time, and after that we can again convert it back to 12-hour format. So in 24-hour format, 5:24 am can be written as 5 hours 24 minutes, and this one is equivalent to 5:24 am. Now we have to add 4 hours to it, so let's add it 4 hours and 00 minutes, that is simply 4 hours only. So 24 minutes plus 0 minutes will give us 24 minutes, and 5 hours plus 4 hours will give us 9 hours. So in 24-hour format, it is 9 hour 24 minute, and if you want to write it in 12-hour format, now since initially the unit of the time was in am and we are adding 4 hours to it, so the unit will be am only, because we have not crossed the 12-hour mark. So it will be 9:24 am. So thus this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.